Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank y'all for tuning in today. And if y'all saw last week, I did post a giveaway video and it did run for a whole week. Today is Friday, so I am going to be announcing the winner. Remember, there was two giveaways going on. The one that was through my YouTube channel and the other one was going to be through Barney's Instagram page. So if you did participate in both, you have double the chance of winning. But I am going to keep it short and sweet, guys, and to the point. I am going to be screen recording so y'all don't think this thing's like rigged or whatever. So I am using this app, which is like a YouTube comment generator. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste the link. I am filtering the duplicate user just in case anybody commented twice in the video, so I don't want any cheaters and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and just put get YouTube comments. There's 34 participants and I am clicking start, and this is the winner right here. It is random and the winner is Jorge Rodriguez. You do drive a 2013 Mustang V6. I'll definitely message you on that right here. Just let me know what you're gonna want. You're gonna want either the chemical guys or the Adams Polishes detailing kit. But yeah, guys, sorry if you didn't win. Remember, you still have a second chance. Go check Manuel_50 just to see if you guys won on his Instagram giveaway. But I thank y'all for participating, guys. I am real thankful for you guys for watching the videos and stuff like that. Next giveaway is probably going to be like at 1250 subscribers, God willing. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned in. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. And thank y'all for watching, guys. God bless.